Meet Mrs. Jane, the owner of a recognized restaurant in the UK. Last month, she decided to bring more variation in the food items of her restaurant. So, she discussed it with her head chef and planned for the most common Indian food, named biryani. But, she knew that adding the item to the menu is not enough to attract the customer. The extraordinary test will be essential to make it a favorite. In the meantime, she heard about Shen Biryani Mix, which is specially formulated maintaining the highest processing standards. Then she decided to purchase the mix immediately and she browsed Tejspices.co.uk, the website of Tejspices, the premium online platform for Indian grocery items. Now she is happy with the popularity of the dish she added to the menu. Do you want to have the same taste? Call 447568683333 and make an order. And get ready to enjoy the taste of Indian food.